Karabatic, reverse pass now, sees, what a goal! 7 seconds remaining, ball breaks quickly, timeout called. Oh my God, the roof put them off this basically score, 7 seconds. Paris Saint-Germain playing a player down. And here we go, 6, Kuchabayev, out to the wing, Chupic, he scored! He scored! They've won! It was so simple in the end! It was so simple in the end! Give the ball to Ivan Chupic! Let him score! It was so simple in the end! One pass! Chupic is a back-to-back champion!